So the question is, amongst all of the universities here in Dagupan, sa tingin nyo, saang school yung may mga pinaka-good-looking na students?
Dito sa Lyceum yung may mga pinakamaraming maganda at gwapo na mga estudyante.
Amongst these schools, which school would you say has the most good-looking girls and the most good-looking guys? I'm Bucket.
I am not student here. Pero pag tuwing pumupunta ako dito, nakakakita ako ng mga pogi, ganon. Pogi pero hindi ko nila lahat na parang handsome sila kasi may iba. Bad boy.
Yung may mga pinakamagandang students.
Lyceum. Lyceum din po.
Hello guys, this is Promise, the host of Simply Promise and You. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any opinions, ensure to drop them in the comment section. It promises to be informative, educative, and entertaining. Welcome guys. Wow.
So we're in a beloved school today. We are going around asking students from our school, and hopefully we pray we can meet students from other schools and ask them simply, amongst all the schools here in Dagupan City, which of them has some of the most good-looking men and women. So, but if you're new to this channel, please make sure you like, share, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe.
So we are here with another student. So kuya, anong pangalan mo po?
Luis Veray po.
Okay. So here in Dagupan City we have many schools like Lyceum, UDD, STI, UPANG, UL. So amongst these schools, which school would you say has the most good-looking girls and the most good-looking guys? I'm Bucket. Why?
I would say siguro, dito na lang siguro sa Lyceum kasi from senior high school siguro dito ako nag-aral and parang marami namang good-looking guys and girls dito na makikita sa city.
Okay, now we're also here with our second year students here at the College of Nursing in Lyceum. So, pakilala mo na kayo. What's your name?
My name is Valerie Basa.
My name is Hazel.
My name is Princess.
Okay. So the question is, amongst all of the universities here in Dagupan, sa tingin nyo, saang school yung may mga pinaka-good-looking na students?
Para po sa amin sa STA Dagupan po kasi po they're very good looking and very neat po silang tingnan.
Okay. How about you?
I think sa STI din kasi medyo talagang maayos sila. Siyempre mostly sa kanila is tourism.
Ako rin po is STI and alam naman po natin na marami pong magaganda po talaga sila.
How about for boys? Anong school yung may pinakagwapong mga students? Panga? Go!
Para sa akin po, sa STI pa rin po and
Wow.
sa UPANG po.
UPANG.
Yes po.
Okay.
I think ganun din po sa akin.
Okay.
Ako naman po sa PAMA po talaga.
Bakit tumatawa?
Kasi
Ay, may boyfriend ka sa PAM? Okay. Okay. Consider.
So kuya, we would like to find out from you. We have many schools here in Dagupan City. We have UDD, Lyceum, UPANG, and UL. So we want to find out from you, which school do you think has the most good-looking guys and the most good-looking girls in Dagupan City?
In my opinion, dito sa Lyceum yung may mga pinakamaraming maganda at gwapo na mga estudyante.
Okay, now we're here with another beautiful student. What is your name?
Jam.
Okay. Which school are you from? Since I know it's a different
UL, University of Luzon.
Okay. Our question is, amongst the different universities here in Dagupan City, which school do you think has the most number of handsome and beautiful students?
I think LNU.
I
I'm not student. I'm not student here. Pero pag tuwing pumupunta ako dito, nakakakita ako ng mga pogi, ganon. Pogi pero hindi ko nila lahat na parang handsome sila kasi may iba. Bad boy.
Okay. How about the girls? Which school has the most beautiful girls?
Dito rin. As in, dito ako na...
We have our senior high school students, di ba? So what strand
STEM po.
Oh, STEM. Okay. So let's introduce yourselves first.
Amber Calienta po.
I'm Yuri Tagalog.
Dorothy Zarate po.
Okay, so our question is, we have different universities here in Dagupan. Sa tingin nyo, anong university yung may mga pinaka-pogi or pinakamagandang students?
Yupang po.
Lyceum. Lyceum din.
Okay, question. Magandang students. Anong school yung may mga pinakamagandang students?
Lyceum.
Lyceum din po.
Is there a specific course sa tingin nyo sa Lyceum? Kung sino yung mga pinakamaganda?
Tourism. Nursing. Tourism din po.
Okay. Another student here. Kuya, anong course niyo po?
Nursing po.
Okay, and what's your name?
Gambit po.
Okay. Kuya, I will just ask you, we have different universities here in Dagupan. Sa tingin mo po, anong school yung may mga pinakamaganda muna na student?
Pinakamaganda. Ano yung determine sa girls physical attraction?
girls.
Okay. I think it's Yupa. Yupa.
Then, how about, anong school yung may mga pinaka-pogi na boys?
Hindi naman. I think I would go stick or loyalty here, LNU.
LNU.
So, here you have it. We have asked all the students here, some of the students here, to air their opinions on which school in Dagupan City has the most good-looking student. In fact, the most good-looking boys and girls. And luckily for us, we asked a student from another school, UL.
Yes.
So, Maria, what's your thoughts on that?
I think for me, most of the answers about good-looking students outside our university, they thought it's from UPang and STI. But when you ask them about inside the school, what they say is that nursing and tourism students are the most good-looking here inside our school. How about you?
Yeah, I think for me, I'll just give my opinion on that. Which school has some of the good looking? Yeah, I know I'm a student of LNU, but to be honest with you, I would say for the girls, I think the most beautiful girl I would say LNU has is my girlfriend.
Okay. But let's be general.
But then let's be general. For me, for the girls, I would say it's STI.
Yeah, okay. For me too, I agree with that.
STI.
I think it's a culture in STI to have students who are good looking because I was also from senior high. I was also from STI, but in Manila, not in Dagupan. But I can see that the STI students here in Dagupan City are also good looking, especially for the women. Meanwhile, for the men, I think the school that has most good looking men, I don't think it's Lyceum. I think it's let me say maybe like Pama.
For me, it's Lyceum.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, if there's a course, what specific course?
I think most of the masculine courses here,
Like what?
the criminology guys, the engineering guys, I think they are cut for this. They are very good looking.
Okay.
Filipino standard though.
Okay, so guys, if you have any comments, if you oppose or if you agree to our this video with the thoughts of our students here that we have interviewed, you can share your thoughts in our comment section. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and please click the notification bell for you to be updated for our new videos, and of course share it to your family and friends.
Thank you guys.